everyone, so I've teamed up with a company called MyBeautyBase and they have sent me an amazing pack of goodies. So first of all I'm going to do my foundation and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. So now I've applied my foundation, I want to set my face and I'm going to be using the W7 Feather Dreams Loose Powder in Perfect Pink. So I just take a damp sponge and just apply the product where I want to bake. So now I've set the face, I'm going to do my brows and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I like a more natural brow and this product is perfect because you can just fill in all the sparse areas with this tiny little pencil and you can get super precise with it. For my eyeshadow, they sent me this gorgeous palette. Like, look at the shades in that palette. So this is the eye makeup look I came up with. Quite subtle and natural, but it's perfect for a sunny day like today. Pro Finish eyeshadow palette and I absolutely love it. Like, it's really good. So in my package was this super cool highlighter. It's a Technique Prism Rainbow Highlighter and it looks so cool. I'm so excited to try it, so I'm going to pop that on and see what it looks like. I mixed the gold and the pink together because I think it would be a lot more wearable. Look at that! That is so good. So I am super impressed with that highlighter. For it to look like this, it's a little bit scary, but I just mixed the pink and the gold together and it created this gorgeous look. I've got it on my nose, my lips. I love it! Finish the look off, I'm going to do my lips and they sent me a gorgeous trio of lipstick, lip gloss and lip liner. They sent me this super cool lip gloss which is the Technique Glitter Me Up lip gloss and I'm super excited to try this. So I'm going to apply these and see what it looks like. So this gloss is beautiful, it creates more of like a metallic lip. This is the gold one and this makes it more me. Like, I love this. So this is my beauty base. I really hope everyone enjoyed the video. I absolutely loved the way the makeup turned out and loved every single product that I used, like hands down. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it too.